Welcome to Beautyistic. If you're passionate about achieving healthy, shiny, and vibrant hair, today's product might be right up your alley. We'll be diving into the Alfaparf Milano Lino Sublime Cellula Madre Beauty Genesis Vials. This product promises to protect color, enhance shine, and leave hair looking more beautiful with just one application. Let's see if it lives up to those bold claims. So, what exactly is the Alfaparf Milano Lino Sublime Cellula Madre Beauty Genesis Vials? These vials are infused with a potent blend of oils, including argan oil, designed to restore the hair's natural radiance. The product aims to offer protection for colored hair while enhancing shine and prolonging the vibrancy of your cosmetic color. Each pack contains 12 vials, each with 0.44 fl, providing enough product for multiple uses. Now, let's talk about real-world testing and how this product performs. The first thing I noticed after applying it was how lightweight the oil feels. No greasy residue, which is a huge plus for those with finer hair like mine. The application process is pretty straightforward. You simply break open the vial, apply the oil, and distribute it evenly throughout your hair. I tested this on freshly washed hair, focusing on the mid-lengths to the ends. The result? Instant shine and a noticeable improvement in how soft my hair felt. My hair looked healthier right away, which was impressive. However, there are a couple of things to note. While it does provide beautiful shine, the effects aren't exactly long-lasting. The shine diminishes slightly by the end of the day. Also, if you have fine or oily hair, you might want to be careful with how much you use, as too much product can weigh it down. Now let's look at the pros and cons. On the plus side, it does deliver a noticeable boost in shine, and it also helps in protecting color-treated hair, which is ideal for anyone who invests in salon color. The scent is mild but pleasant, and the packaging is convenient with individual vials that are easy to use. On the downside, as mentioned, the results don't last as long as I'd hoped, especially for those looking for a more enduring shine. Also, if you're not a fan of oil-based products, this might feel a bit heavy for your hair type. When it comes to value for money, this product is certainly priced on the higher end for hair care. But considering it helps protect color, adds shine, and improves overall hair health, it could be a worthwhile investment if you're looking for something that gives an immediate boost to your hair's appearance. I wouldn't necessarily say it's a steal, but for the quality and results you get in the short term, it does offer a fair amount of value. Comparing this to other products on the market, there are alternatives like the Olaplex No. 7 Bonding Oil, or even drugstore options like the Garnier Fructis Sleek and Shine, which also help with shine and color protection. The Alfaparf product does stand out because of its specific focus on color-treated hair, but it's a bit pricier than some other brands. In terms of build quality, the individual vials are sturdy and well packaged. It's easy to store and doesn't spill, which is a small but important detail. As for longevity, there's no long-term data on how it holds up with prolonged use, but based on initial application, it seems reliable enough for those looking for short-term shine and protection. Unfortunately, I didn't have any customer support interactions with Alfaparf Milano for this product, so I can't speak to that experience. However, the brand is known for producing high-quality professional hair care, which generally gets positive feedback from users. As for alternatives, if you're looking for something a bit more budget-friendly, there are similar shine-boosting oils like the Moroccan oil treatment, which can offer comparable results for a more accessible price. To sum it up, the Alfaparf Milano Lino Sublime Cellula Madre Beauty Genesis Vials deliver on their promise of adding shine and protecting color-treated hair. It's a good choice for those who want a quick, noticeable improvement in hair health and appearance, though the effects aren't as long-lasting as some might expect. If you're willing to invest in a premium product for an instant boost, this could be a great addition to your hair care routine. If you're enjoying this review, make sure to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to Beautyistic, and hit the bell icon to stay updated on all our latest reviews and tips. Thanks for watching. If you've tried this product or have any questions, feel free to drop a comment below. I'd love to hear about your experiences. Until next time, stay shiny, stay beautiful, and remember, your hair deserves nothing less than the best from Beautyistic.